Hi, my name is Emma, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about RenewRitual before you actually buy it, the pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about RenewRitual is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because RenewRitual is only sold on the official website. Because of the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of RenewRitual without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and keep you from getting the results you're looking for. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is RenewRitual, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. RenewRitual has helped thousands of women, and it will work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with powerful ingredients like alpha-lipoic acid, curcumin, vitamin B complex, magnesium, green tea extract, probiotics, and other plant-based nutrients. These components work together to support your digestive system, fight inflammation, and promote healthier skin from the inside out. Whether you're dealing with poor gut health, bloating, skin dullness, or low energy, RenewRitual was created to restore balance and help your body heal at the root cause. If you've been feeling bloated, tired, or frustrated with your skin's appearance, RenewRitual was designed exactly for that. No more harsh cleansers or temporary fixes. This is a natural solution that works from the inside, promoting both gut and skin health. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with RenewRitual, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test RenewRitual for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for RenewRitual to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, RenewRitual has no side effects since it is made with natural ingredients. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying RenewRitual from. And remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that RenewRitual actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.